Alright guys, today's that day. This is another Tesla delivery day that I'm doing, and I'm pretty excited about it because obviously you guys know, if you guys have watched this channel, I already own a Tesla 2021 Model 3, and today we're actually trading in that Tesla Model 3. I don't have it with me right now. That's another story for another time that I'll tell you guys towards the end of this video, but for right now, no, it's already at the service center for some complications that it had 2 days before I had to get it delivered, and now we're going to Tesla to pick up the new Tesla Model 3 2025 edition. I'm super excited to see this 2025, see all the new features, and also really excited because this time around, when I first got my 2021 car, I didn't actually customize it that much. I kind of left it stock for the most part, but this time I got a bunch of accessories already at home waiting to install it, from small things to big things that I have to get installed by a mechanic like nearby or whatever, like a person who's going to do it, and I'm going to be doing that in the next week. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. So a lot of stuff, but I'm excited to show you guys a car, show you guys the delivery experience of how it works when you trade in a car, and all that kinds of stuff while you go through this process. So we're getting in the car now. We're driving to the Tesla service center, about 40 minutes away. We're going to be doing that, and I will take you guys on that journey. And don't forget, if you guys want to support me and the channel, if you guys want to get your own Tesla, there'll be a link down below where you guys can save $250 off a brand new Tesla and get some savings out of there, and then a kickback for me as well. So if you guys want to support me, you can go ahead and use that link. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Gaming tech, eating brekkie is the gaming tech. Going for a brekkie is the gaming tech. Gaming tech is the gaming tech. Gaming techie.
Alright guys, we just arrived at the Tesla service center to pick up the car, and my phone is now telling me that since I'm here, it gave me the VIN number of the car, and now I can go ahead and look for the car, and my car is blue, so I'm guessing that it might be the blue one up there because it's the only blue one. They usually park the cars on the side, so we'll see if it's that one. But yeah, it gives you the VIN number right on the car. I don't want to show you what it is, but on the app it tells you. So we're gonna look for it right now, see how it goes. Just wanted to show you guys real quick inside the service center some of their cars that they have kind of lined up so you guys can take a look at them. Their Model S and Model X and stuff like that, so you guys can see. They look really cool, and I like the service center. Alright guys, so we just picked up the car. Here it is, fancy blue. I love the way that the blue looks here in the sun, as you guys can see. Really nicely cleaned. You can see everything is clean, and you can see it says congratulations Carlos when you arrive, so your name's sitting on there. You can see exactly how it looks like. Got the white interior, as you can see. There you go. There you go. The nice blue. Like I said, the blue in the sun pops so good. Really, really nice looking. Let's go ahead and get inside. Alright guys, so here it is. We are now home right now, as you guys can see, and car's doing an update right now, and I just finished installing one of the first accessories. But just wanted to show you guys, yeah, this car looks fantastic with the blue, especially when the sun shines on it. I'm really glad I went with the blue. Blue's obviously my favorite color, and it looks really good, like I showed you guys in the sun before. Wanted to show you guys quickly the interior before I start modding stuff and changing things up. You can see the white interior has like the white doors now, which is really cool. You can see the screen is updating right now. But when it finishes updating, you can see that the bezels are smaller than it used to be on the old model 2021 that I had, and just a better looking screen, a little bit bigger as well. You got this gray perforated leather up here instead of the old plastic one that was here, which is really nice. You finally have interior lighting, which is something I always told them, how the hell did that not come out in the 2021? But this right here, obviously it's not dark right now. I'll show you guys that later, but you can see all the interior lighting. I'll show you guys that later when we skip to the nighttime. It goes all the way through the doors and everything, all the way here. And we'll also go all the way through the back. And yes, you can control the different colors that you want in the app settings. So we'll take a look at that stuff later. You know, really, really cool that they do that. And just better overall materials on the inside. You got the white leather seats, and they have little holes in them because you can actually have AC come up through them, and heating seats as well for both the back and the front ones back there as well, which is cool. So yeah, interior definitely got an upgrade with the slightly better screen, with the better materials being used, you know, on these things. That's really awesome. But the biggest upgrade that you have from the model 2021 that I had in this one would definitely be the back screen. I don't know how much I'm going to use it because I'm never in the back, but for people in the back, you can see that this screen's already updated and powered on and ready to go. You can see on the screen here, you can go ahead and hit the thing to control the different temperatures. You can see, you can point where you want the AC to go, which is really cool. You can power the AC off like I just did. You got the music here, as you can see, that you can go ahead and control. You got Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, Hulu that you can watch back here. You got different games that you can play as well back here. The same ones that you can do kind of in the front are kind of back here, but it's awesome that people on the back could be independently playing a game that the front driver obviously can't do. So you got Beach Buggy Racing 2, Skyforce Reloaded, and of course this has the AMD, which my car didn't have, so this has a much better processor to handle games and stuff like that. Vampire Survivors, and they're always like moving these around, which is cool. Skyforce Reloaded, Fallout Shelter, Stardew Valley, Backgammon, Cuphead, Chess, and 2048. Some really good games on there to play while you're here, which is awesome. And then of course the settings and stuff. So again, really cool that you can, you know, do things on this back screen. I always wanted a back screen in a car, even though I don't know how often I'll be back here, but that's definitely the biggest upgrade that's noticeable right off the bat when you're in here from the old 2021. But really nice seats and everything. Like I said, really nice looking. Really happy with the choices of colors that I did, and just the overall car look and stuff looks fantastic. Coming from the white one to this one, I'm really happy I chose this one. But one of the things that I'm definitely excited about is what I didn't do on the first car, we're going to do a lot of in this. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for this channel, because like I talked about in the beginning of the video, I have a lot of accessories. I actually installed one, if you guys paid attention while I was circling around, that we'll talk about at a different time, because I wanted to get it installed before it got dark. But there's a lot of different things. I'm talking things from small stuff to lighting stuff to big things to more screens, a bunch of different things that we're going to be doing. Some of the things require me to take this to the shop, and it's actually going to the shop here in a few days. I got an appointment already scheduled for Saturday to install some of these accessories. So what you see right now with this car is going to have a drastic change to the inside and the outside as far as what we're doing with all these accessories. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned when we talk about all those accessories coming. I'm really excited because that's not something I really did on the Model 3. I kind of left it stock. I didn't really care. But this one, you know, I want to make it as cool as it can possibly be, and that's exactly what we did. I reached out to a bunch of companies. We have a lot of things coming from them. A lot of the stuff I already have in the house, which I'm installing some after I finish this video I'm recording, and throughout this week. So really excited, because it's going to change the feel and the look of this car. But my experience at the Tesla, you know, picking up a car and stuff like you guys saw, was really good. I mean, it was a little bit longer than the first time, because the first time I wasn't trading in a car. But still, everything, you handle a lot of the signatures online. You get there and, you know, you sign a couple of pieces of paperwork for the trade-in. You hand over the keys for the trade-in of the car, you accept it, and then boom, you're after you do that, you're basically in your car, you know, looking at things and stuff like that. The first time I went, if you guys look at my 2021, I didn't even talk to anybody. I just went there, picked up the car, looked at the app, and looked and took it and drove off. Didn't talk to anybody. This time I actually had to go in and talk to someone, because again, with that trade-in, you have to verify that you're there. They have to see the car and take it from you and blah blah and sign some paper. But still, way better than a regular dealer would have ever been to do a trade-in. It was so much simpler, so easy. You don't have to worry about like messing with gambling them for numbers and everything. And, you know, I'm super happy with how all of that went and the experience there. I wish that Tesla service center was a little bit bigger, because damn, it's crowded over there to even find a parking spot. But regardless, amazing stuff from Tesla. The experience of picking it up in 2025, it's just as easy as it always was. It's freaking awesome. And speaking of, the screen just came on. Let me just show you guys real quick. The update just finished, so there it is right there. That, like I said, if you guys remember my 2021, or if you've seen a 2021, the bezels are a little bit smaller, so it makes the screen look a little bit nicer because of the thinner bezels and stuff, which is, you know, super cool that that's the case. But yeah, that's a short video on the picking up a Tesla in 2025 here, going to over there and picking it up. Super awesome, super fun, and happy to have a new 2025 for even cheaper than my 2021 one was in a monthly payment, which is even awesome. So that I got a new car cheaper than what it was before. So if you guys want to support me and the channel, there will be a link down below where you can go ahead and purchase your own Tesla. The first 10 people who use that link are going to get $250 off. Make sure you guys use that link and support me if you guys are thinking about buying a Tesla. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything you guys have seen, leave those questions down below. And again, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for future videos on a lot of accessories for this thing for your model 2025 or Model 3 in general that you guys may want to do yourself. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching.